How to add a contact form to Canva websites. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can add a contact form to your Canva website. Now, Canva is an amazing design tool that allows us to create beautiful websites with customized looks, and we can enhance the capabilities of our Canva websites with the help of a contact form, because it's really important to have some form of communication with your customers or viewers. So to do this, first off, I'm going to open up my Canva website. This is it, and I'm just going to open this up. And for this, you're going to need to click on Edit Design. Now, firstly, I'm going to make some space for my Contact Us page. So for that, I actually want to go and add my Contact Us page right over here, or right at the bottom. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and after this section here, I'm going to click on Add Page and add a blank page. Then after that, I can click on text and add some title text, and I'm just going to add Contact Us over here. Now, once I do that, it's time to actually start adding the form. So the way to create and add your form is either by using Jotform or by using Google Forms. Both of these are free to use, and it's up to your personal preference on whatever you want to use. So I'm just going to go into Jotform over here and then click on Sign Up or Log In. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Salesforce, whatever you prefer. And the sign up is going to take you less than like 2 minutes. So I'm just going to log in with Google, and I want to use my Google account to create my Jotform account, or log on to my Jotform account so I can proceed with building our free form. Now, just like that, this is my Jotform account, and all you have to do on Jotform is click on Create on the top left. Once you click on Create, you're going to select Form. And what I love about Jotform is that you can click on Use Template and you can actually find Contact Us Forms template. If you search for Contact Us, you can actually see Contact Us Pages, Contact Us Reviews, Contact Us Form, and this is a simple form with a name, email, and last name section. We have several different templates available. I'm going to click on Use Templates, and you can create one from scratch if you do not like the templates available. And I'm going to show you guys how to customize this later. So for this, I am just going to go into Build, and you can customize this. You can go through all the settings. We're going to do that at the end. But first, I'm just going to click on Settings. And once I do that, we have permissions. So Submit Only, Submit and View Later. I will create this as a Submit Only form. Okay, once you do that, you can click on your publishing, and on the left you have your embed options. So you can click on copy code and you can actually embed this form, or you just have a quick link option. So go into your Canva website, and once you go into your Canva website, you can go into embed on the left, and you will see Jotform as an option. Click on Jotform and then click on Open. Once you click on Open, it will ask you to link your Jotform account. You can click on Your Forms, and you're going to click on Login on the bottom. Then click on Connect, and this will ask you to connect your Jotform account to your Canva account. Then you guys can see our Contact Us form is now available here. You're going to select it, and you guys can see now our form is being embedded, and just like that, our form can be embedded. And I'm just going to resize this like so. And just like that, our amazing form is now ready. If I click on Publish Website and publish my Canva website, my Jotform form will be fully functional in our Canva website. Now, after I show you guys the preview of our site, I am going to show you guys how you can actually customize this form further. So this is our portfolio site, and at the bottom we have this form section, and this is how people can fill it out. Now, going back into Jotform, I actually like to build some more customizations, and don't worry, even if you embed it first and later on customize it, you can always have it refreshed. So the first section is the fact that it just says form. I would rather it say contact form or contact us like this. And then below that, I might want to include a CAPTCHA. So I can drag and drop a CAPTCHA from the left like so. Then I can also choose if I want them to add some suggestions. So I can add a question. what are your queries or your queries, like so. And then after that, we can also include other things like fill in the blank, signature, appointments, date pickers, phone, addresses, emails. Then we also have payments as well as other types of widgets. Now, you can also go into properties on the right and you can change the design or the overall appearance. You can even add your own logo, and you can customize each individual section's appearance by clicking on the settings and then going into all of these different options. Now I like to go into settings, and in this we have multiple different form settings, including new emails. And then you have conditions. So you can change the visibility of certain fields, you can enable or require a certain field, you can skip or hide a page, and you can change your thank you page. Then you can customize your thank you page, your integrations, your workflows. So you can click on create workflow to build a workflow. Usually you can just do a simple workflow where it is connected to a sheet and all of your emails are then written down in a sheet. Then you also have mobile notifications as well as Jotform signs. And then once you have customized everything, so once you have customized both the elements that you're using as well as the design, so I can click on the form design and then customize that. I want to go with a more brown theme, and you can go into your Canva website if you want everything to look really cohesive. Go into your Canva website and you will see the hex code of the color you're using. Copy that and then go into Jotform. Go into the page color and paste that over here like so. Then go into your form color and then paste that over here as well. This makes your form look really seamlessly integrated. Then after that, you can go into styles and themes and layouts. So if you want a card form or a classic form. Once I have done all of this, I'm going to click on publish, and I can go back into my Canva website. And then what I'm going to do is click on the Jotform. I'm going to delete it, click on your forms, re-add it, and it will actually be the new and improved version of our form. And you guys can see now I can remove the text from Canva, and I have this really beautiful, very seamless looking form. And now if I publish my website, you wouldn't even know this was created or added using Jotform. So this is how you can get started with including forms in your Canva website. You can follow the same steps for Google. So if you're using Google Forms, you can also integrate those into Canva websites in the same way. And if you go into embedding options with a Google form, you will see your embedding options are gonna look a bit different. So just for users that prefer Google, I'm gonna open this up, and then if you go into embed, you can search for Google Forms. And once you search for Google Forms, you will see Google Forms is not available. So instead of that, you're gonna just search for embed, go into the simple embed, and you're just gonna paste your web link, not your embedding code, and add that over here. When you add that web link, it automatically adds to Google Form. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content, and comment down below if there's anything else you would like to know. Have a great day ahead.